Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Habibullah and my ID number 200601110037. I'm from Mathematics Department, Faculty of Science and Technology of Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang State Islamic University. Here, I want to present a characteristic of science and science function. Science are continuous discovering and enhancing human understanding of the various aspects that are true in the human realm. These aspects are the basis for producing definite formulation. Science has characteristics that characterize science. Ismaun said that the nature of characteristic of knowledge are as follows. 1. Objective. Science is based on observable objectivity and is not based on subjective emotion. 2. Coherent, meaning that they relate to each other coherently, not containing conflicting statements in it. 3. Universal, trying to find the reality of the truth by trying to get universal conclusion means that people who have the science of philosophy will look for universal or general opinions that don't support one party. 4. Free, that person will think freely to arrive at the depths and universal essence. 5. Rational, meaning that the thought process that takes place in science must and only obey the laws of logic. 6. Mathematical, science is mathematical in nature. That is how it works coherently based on certain standards that can be rationally justified, and the results are in the form of facts that are relevant in the field under study. 7. Accumulative, science is accumulative and progressive. That is, the truth that is obtained can always be asked as a basis for obtaining the new truth, so that science advances and develops. 8. Empirism, tools to search for truth by relying on sense experience as the main rule holder. Function. Science function. Philosophy is very useful because by studying philosophy we can deal with fundamental questions. Here are some of the functions of philosophy. 1. Broad insight. People who do philosophy will have broad insights into the problems they face because the person is expected to be able to solve the problem by identifying the problem so that the answer can be solved easily. 2. Experience creative. People who do philosophy will have a more creative life experience because that person has life views or creative ideas that arise of their own will. 3. Be critical. People who do philosophy can live independently and have a critical attitude in solving problems, both in their own life and in social life. 4. Able to analyze. Philosophical people can analyze a problem critically, which they put the problem into their experiment or other scientific study. Science philosophy function. While the function of the philosophy of science is as follows. 1. Truth seeking tool. People who have Islamic philosophy will seek the true truth of the truth in society by conducting experiment or research in their own way so that they can conclude the truth of the phenomenon. 2. Give understanding of how to live. Because by having a philosophy of science, someone will do their own experiment on their problem creatively, so that person can understand about how to live and can also make someone better than before. 3. Providing teachings or morals or ethics. People who have a philosophy of science will provide moral of and ethical teachings that are useful in their life and become a source of inspiration and guidance in various aspects of their own and other people's lives. 4. Defend against other philosophies. People who have a philosophy of science will have their own views and don't depend on the views of others because they do or solve problems in their own way by doing experimental research. So much for the presentation from me, moral or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.